We continue with the
10th chapter.
we have seen about the mean, direct method examples also, and assumed mean method. But just a revision of assumed mean. Assumed mean method, in this an arbitrary mean A is chosen, which is called assumed mean, somewhere in the middle of all the values of x, where di equals to xi minus a. So mean x bar equals to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Now we see the third method, that is step deviation method. Step deviation method, x bar equals to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. We will know what is h, that is the class length. Now the step deviation method steps we are going to see. First step, classify the data into intervals and find the corresponding frequency of each class. Step 2, find the class mark by taking the midpoint of upper and lower class limit. Third step, take one of the xi, usually in the middle, and usually you take with a higher frequency, as assumed mean and denote it by a. Step 4, find the deviation from a from each of the xi, that is di equals to xi minus a. Step 5, divide all the deviation di by the class width, that is h, to get u, that is ui equals to xi minus ah. Now step 4, find the mean of u, that is u equals to sigma fi ui upon sigma fi. And the last step, calculate x bar equals to a plus h into sigma fi ui upon sigma fi, that is u bar. So a plus h u bar. Now let us see some example based on the step deviation method. First one, the wages of the workers are given in the table. Find the mean by step deviation method. Wages ranging from 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Of worker 8, 20 to 30, 9, 30 to 40, 12, 40 to 50, 11, and 50 to 60, 6. Sorry, the first one is 10 to 20. Now the wages given, we are going to find the mid value first. So 10 to 20, the mid value is 15. 20 to 30, 25. 30 to 40, 35. 40 to 50, 45. And 50 to 60, 55. So assumed mean, we are going to take 35, where the frequency 12 is highest. So I told you in the beginning, whenever you get highest frequency, take that mid value as the assumed mean. So that will be 35 equals to our a. So 0, d is xi minus a. So 25 minus 35 is minus 10, 15 minus 35 is minus 20. Similarly, downward, 45 minus 35 is 10, 55 minus 35 is 20. Now h equals to 10, that is the width of the class. 20 minus 10, 30 minus 20, that is the width. U equals to x minus a upon h. So when you divide by 10, you get minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. That is your ui. So fi ui is multiply, f is 8 into minus 2 minus 16, 9 into minus 1 minus 9, 12 into 0, 0, 11 into 1, 11, 6 into 2, 12. Now frequency f, that is sigma f equals to 46, and frequency fi ui, that is sigma fi ui equals to minus 2. So x bar is given by the formula a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So a is 35 plus fi ui is minus 2, sigma fi is 46. So minus 2 upon 46 into width is 10. So we get minus 20 upon 46. So that is minus 10 upon 23. Point answer you get 30, that is minus, so 34.57. Let us take the second example from the exercise 14.1. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Find the mean daily wages of the worker of the factory by using an appropriate method. So here we are using the step deviation method. Now daily wages is given as 10, 100 to 120, number of workers 12, 120 to 140, number of workers 14, 140 to 160, number of workers 8, 160 to 180, number of workers 6, and 180 to 200, number of workers 10. So in this case we can use the step deviation method because the data is large. Now A is 150 and H equals to 120 minus 100, that is 20. Now class length and frequency are given to us. Now the sigma fi, that is sum of the frequency, is 50. First step we have to table we have to find is the class mark, that is 100 plus 120 upon 2, so 110. Now the difference of the width is 20, so you add 22, so 110 plus 20, 130 plus 20, 150 plus 20, 170 plus 20, 190, that is the class mark. Now ui equals to xi minus a upon h. So you subtract a you are taking as 150, so 150 is our assumed mean. So 130 minus 150 upon 20, so that comes out to be minus 1, minus 2, and downwards if you move it is 1, 2. So FIUI is our 12 into minus 2, minus 24, 14 into minus 1, minus 14, 8 into 0, 0, 6 into 1, 6, 10 into 2, 20. So sigma FIUI equals to minus 12. Now mean x bar is given by the formula assumed mean A plus h into sigma FIUI upon sigma Fi. So 150 plus 20 into minus 12 upon 50. That is equals to 120 minus 240 upon 50. So 150 minus 24 upon 5. That is 750 minus 24 upon 5. 726 upon 5, that is 145.20. Hence mean daily wages of the workers are rupees 145.20. Question of exercise. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing box. This box contained varying numbers of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mango according to the number of boxes. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean would you choose? Here we are doing by step deviation method. Number of mangoes range 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61, 62 to 64. Number of boxes 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. To this here h equals to 3. So number mid values first thing will be 50 plus 52, 51. Now 3 is the width of the class. So 51 plus 3, 54. 54 plus 3, 57. 60, 57 plus 3, 60. 60 plus 3, 60. 3. Now frequency is 135, we get it as the highest frequency. Let us take that as our A. So 57 is A. Now the number on the range of 57, we put it equals to 0, and above that in the descending -1, -2, and below that in the ascending 1, 2. So we get ui equals to 50 to 52 is -2, 53 to 55 is -1, 56 to 58 0, 59 to 61 1, 62 to 64 2. Now FIXI, that is our UI. So FIUI is 51 minus 2 minus FIUI. So 15 minus 2 minus 30, 110 minus 1 minus 110, 135 into 0 0, 115 into 1 115, and 25 into 2 50. Now sigma FI is 400 and sigma FIUI is 25. And step deviation, A plus sigma FIUI upon sigma FI into H. 57 plus 25 into 3 upon 400. So 57 plus 0.19, 57.19. So 57.19 mangoes we get by the step deviation method.